Welcome back to iObserver. Today I will share my experience on how to mirror iPhone to Roku TV. I get this question more often than I can manage to make a video response to it. Roku is a popular device and is undoubtedly one of the most affordable screen mirroring options for iPhone or iPad owners. This is because modern Roku devices have AirPlay built in. But what if your Roku device doesn't support this technology? My video will help with that. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And while you're doing that, I'll get started. First, let's explore the native solution for screen mirroring iPhone to Roku using AirPlay. Simply go to the settings of your Roku, navigate to the AirPlay section, and turn it on. If you've done everything correctly, then take your iPhone, open Control Center, and find the screen mirroring icon. There, you will see your Roku device. Select it and start broadcasting. Type the code from TV screen if required. That's it. Your phone screen is now mirrored on your TV via Roku. Now I'll show you how to screen mirror iPhone to Roku with my favorite mirroring app, DoCast. Go to the App Store and search for DoCast. Download the app. Ensure your iPhone and Roku TV box are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, open the application and grant all necessary permissions if it asks. After that, you will see Roku stick in the list of available devices. Tap on it. This app is great because you can simply close the offer. Now you are on the main screen. There are different functions. Select Screen. In the Screen section, you will see rotation, quality, and sound options. But for this guide, tap on the red button. DoCast will prompt you to add the channel on your Roku device and automatically open it on the TV. Take your remote and press Add. If Roku requests a passcode, enter it using the remote. It will be on the screen. Press OK and wait until the channel is added. Take your iPhone back and continue the mirroring process. Tap on Start Mirroring and then select Start Broadcast, like in the AirPlay solution. That's it. You are all set. There is a 15-minute limit in a free version in maximum quality. I'll try playing Minecraft, just for fun. Personally, I like this app because it has low latency for screen mirroring and delivers great quality. But okay, if you want another solution, there is another app. Screen mirroring for Roku. It's not bad either, but it has more limitations. To start with this app, you need to follow the same steps as with DoCast, but be prepared to watch a ton of ads. Download Screen Mirroring for Roku from the App Store. Launch the app and give all necessary permissions. Wait until your device appears on the screen. The app will prompt you to add the channel on your Roku device and automatically open it on the TV. Take your remote and press Add. If Roku requests a passcode, enter it using the remote. It will be on the screen. Press OK and wait until the channel is added. Take your iPhone back and continue the mirroring process. After that, again, press on your device and watch some advertising video. Select Start Mirroring and then Start Broadcasting. That's it. Now, your iPhone screen is on your Roku device, but I wouldn't be me if I didn't mention one more way. Connecting via HDMI. If you have a Lightning to HDMI adapter or Type-C to HDMI, you can mirror your iPhone screen directly to Roku or your TV. To do this, plug the adapter into your iPhone, then connect one end of the HDMI cable to this adapter and the other end to the TV or Roku if it has an HDMI port. And wait for a second to start your screen mirroring session without limitations. The benefit of this solution is no delay, but you must be near your TV. I hope you enjoyed this video guide, and now you know the answer to the question, can you mirror iPhone to Roku? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon.